everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Christy and I am a part-time reseller on eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. And today we are going to do an unboxing video. Come on, assistant.
Hello.
Hello. Let's do it. Secret handshake. Boom.
It's not secret anymore.
Darn. All right. It is summertime. She is out of school.
Yay.
No more, exactly, yay. No more having to go to bed early. No more having to get up early to get her ready for school. So I can focus a little more on YouTube. So I've ordered 4 boxes. So we got one right here that we're going to open today. We got another one here that's going to be on in a couple days. Then I got 2 more coming from a different supplier than these 2. And we're going to see which one's better. And I'm going to start maybe testing out a bunch of different suppliers and seeing what I can find, since I only have my lunch break source throughout the week while I'm at work. And so I'm going to try doing some of this. So this box is from a place called Wholesale, what was it? Universe. There we go. Wholesale Universe. It is, let's see, I ordered this almost 2 weeks ago, so let's see if I can remember. I didn't look it up beforehand. My bad. Okay, so it was about $100 plus $10 shipping plus tax, so $110, $112 a box. It's all brand new with tag, supposedly, items. Supposed to be all brand new with tag. All name brands like Lucky, Michael Kors, Nike, things like that. A little bit higher brands, name brands, new with tag. Says it's supposed to be retail value of around $700. Now we all know here in the reseller game, retail does not mean that's what you get for it. So something can retail for $200 but only sell online for $30. So I mean, it just all depends on the brand, the style, what it is. So without further ado, what do you think? Should we figure out what's in here? No. Now as you can see, this box looks like it's been through hell and back.
Which is why I picked this one.
That's why she wants to do this one today. This one does not.
That's why I want to pick this one. Because
So
this one looks more interesting.
So she wants to see if there's stuff in here messed up. So
It's gonna be fun.
Yeah. All right. So this company does send you a manifest. So I've seen other people unbox them, and they've had manifests in the box. They did send me a manifest for one box in an email, not for the other one, so I have no idea what's in the other one. And the one that they did send me a manifest for, I didn't look at it because I wanted to be surprised like all you guys. I didn't want to know what I was looking at beforehand.
I hope that this one has some good brands in it. I'm all messed up.
Why would you want that?
Because it would be funny.
So now here's another little sourcing tip. When you're buying boxes like this, where when you first buy them, hold on. When you first buy it, you don't know what's going to be in it. I mean, it was manifested later. It wasn't manifested before I bought it. So
we can't see anything by the way.
Oh yeah. So at the moment we can't see anything. That's just what it looks like. And so never buy a box like this if you can't afford to lose the whole shebang. Like, I paid $110 for this. If I was just starting out and I only had $110, don't buy one of these boxes, because it could be all trash, it could be crap, you don't know what you're really getting, and then you spent your whole $110 and it's gone. So buy boxes like this after you've established yourself, after you've got some money that you want to. It's basically like gambling. I live here in Utah. There's no gambling here. This is my gambling. Right? Pretty much, yeah. We come from Michigan. We could gamble there. Can't gamble here.
I can't gamble.
You can't gamble at all. That's
I
right.
can gamble. I can gamble
All right.
this though.
Packing paper for later.
There's boy stuff in this.
There should not be any boy stuff in this.
This looks boyish.
It does look boyish. Okay. Now, here's what you guys, this is what we see. This all comes wrapped in bags. Except for, let's see, is there a manifest? So this, I'm not going to look at it, but it did give me like a little manifest here. Let's see if I can count how many items. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 items in the box.
I want to count. I like counting.
Do you like counting? So let's pick up the first thing. So this is what it looks like. It is
You're right, it's 9.
Michael Kors. Now, I'm not, this company kind of totes for people who sell on Amazon. So they send it to you all nice and pre-bagged and packed and everything, but I'm not selling this on Amazon, and I'm gonna have to take pictures of it, so we're gonna open it all up and see what it looks like. So this is,
So everything new.
oh yeah, everything's supposed to be new. So this is Michael
That's what it
Kors. So the MSRP on it is $110. And what is it? I think this is a pair of pants. So let's see. Yeah, that's just a pair of pants. Michael Kors, size large. It's got like a already a pre-made belt with like a tie on it, so that was decent. I mean, I'm not gonna get $110 for it, but
Tommy Jen's. What's that?
don't go reading ahead.
I'm sorry.
Okay, this here's number 2.
I'm still reading. That's a weird one.
Yeah.
Should I tell you?
No.
Mm.
No spoilers.
What's that?
I don't know yet.
It's not good.
So it is Guess USA.
That's what the top says.
It's velvet, or like a velour.
That's what the top says on it.
Okay.
What the
So
next
it is
one
just
will
a
be
Guess velour velvet top.
then. Pretty. It looks like one of those things,
Yep.
like cheerleader outfit thing.
Let's see, it's a size small. So yeah, long sleeve. I can't tell if that's like a dress or if that's an actual shirt.
Let me see.
Wow. Oh, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it says LS Shasty dress.
No, it's not.
That is a very short dress, y'all.
Let me see.
Yes, it would fit you
It goes to where my skirt goes.
Yeah,
A little bit
and-
farther, like
and-
1 inch farther.
and you're a 10-year-old girl. So,
Yeah.
so for all you girls out there who like dresses like this, it's for you.
Come buy it.
Come buy it. That's right. So it says on here that the retail is $89.
Mustard color.
Mustard, yes, mustard
I
yellow.
hate mustard yellow.
Yeah.
Yeah, what brand is it?
I don't know. Yeah, gotta open the bag.
I swear, if it's the next one on the list, I'm
Uh-huh.
gonna freak out.
Why are you gonna freak out?
I don't know.
Okay, this is a Vince Camuto, size medium. I don't see a retail price on here, on the tag anyway.
Dude,
Just-
it's the next one on the
It
list.
probably is.
Why?
Just a little top. Cute, little mustard yellow.
It's not cute.
She doesn't like mustard yellow, obviously. The retail value is
Don't
gone.
like mustard either. This is the next one we're doing.
That's the next one we're doing. It's kind of heavy.
Yeah.
So this is Free People, Army, size medium. Says retail is $168.
It's the third thing on the list from the bottom. Thank goodness we're not going by order.
Okay, ooh, this looks nice. This is heavy. Okay, this is a Free People.
For a boy.
It's not for a boy.
Yeah,
Free
it
People
is.
Army jacket. Let's see if I can get close to y'all. So yes, big. I believe it's a size large. Oh no, size medium. Just oversized for sure. I mean, I'm an extra large girl and I could wear this. Easy peasy.
An extra large.
Yes, I'm an extra large. So yeah, button up, lots of pockets.
Let me count my pockets
Oh,
out.
it comes with extra.
Buttons.
Comes with extra buttons.
And legs. What is it?
Yeah. So that's good.
Ledge?
That should sell decent. I don't know if it'll sell right now with us going into summertime, but it's a good item. So far, I'm pleased with this. I mean, it's all brand new, like they said. It's all with tag, all higher end name brands. So far, yeah. I was leery. All right, this is Tommy Jeans.
Are you kidding me?
Retail $60.
Are you kidding me? That's the third thing on the list.
Yeah.
Let
So
me
size
check it
10,
all out.
skinny high-rise crops.
I don't have anything to know.
So, yeah. I mean, maybe get like $15 for these.
I don't have anything to check it off with.
No checking it off?
Nope.
All right. So I said, according to the manifest, there says there's 9
Nine.
things.
I'm opening this one.
So this must be the one box. Because I got one box that was supposed to be a premiere box that was supposed to have like shoes and accessories. And then
That's
another
that box
that must be
then.
that box. And another box is supposed to be
Are you kidding me? I
Posh
should have picked.
or whatever, and that was supposed to be just all clothes. So I'm gonna assume, since I'm not seeing any shoes or accessories, that this is the premiere.
So
you
what
got?
brand is this?
Looks like Michael Kors.
Yep.
Quit! I gotta show.
No, I gotta show it.
Michael
Dress.
Kors dress, 125 retail. Oh, quit. Very flowy, very frilly, floral. Has a nice metal zipper in the back. I don't know if you can see that from here. It's a size small. Like I said, retail 125. Well, that's cute. I got a mannequin that can go on. It'll look good.
I'm gonna show this one.
You gonna show that
You
one?
show your own.
That one yours now?
Yeah. By the list, this should be Michael Jordan.
Michael Kors.
Michael Jordan.
Yeah, you have the Michael Jordan in there.
Yeah. Who is that?
Michael Jordan is like a basketball player.
Oh, never mind.
So what you got there?
I gotta.
Is there a shirt? Is it a dress?
It's a one thing. It's a jumper.
A jumper?
It's a jumper.
Let me see.
See?
Why is it got shorts?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's a romper.
It's a jumper.
Jumper, romper.
No, I'm showing it. Remember?
Okay, but you're not telling anything. So it's a Rachel Roy, size small, black romper, jumper, whatever. Got shorts down here.
What brand is it, Mom?
Rachel Roy. Says retail is like 119. So I mean, I don't know. I've never heard that brand, but we'll see.
I can't tell what this is.
Says
Oh,
ink.
INC.
Yeah, ink.
That's the one I was gonna tell you. That was weird. INC.
Ah. So retail $49. Looks like it's just a top. Oh, it's a cold shoulder top.
Wait a minute. There's no more things.
No more things. We're near the end of the box.
Mom.
Size extra small. So, yeah, that's cute. A lot of black in this box.
Almost that.
So we are down to the last item.
What is it?
This is just a Casper. Never heard of that brand. Just a pink tank top. Retail value of $49. So yeah. So let's see. So we got 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, 5,
A 6.
6,
A
7,
A
8,
A
9.
A
So
10.
no, 9. So that's all 9 items.
No, it's 10. See?
9. No.
10.
9.
11.
So that's everything. Stop.
12.
Okay. 9 items. Sorry guys, I'm trying to see my camera there, see how long we've been on. So, 9 items. I think that was pretty good for $100.
Then for 14 minutes.
I'll probably make, not double. I hope I can make 150-ish after fees and everything. So $50 profit maybe. We'll see. On the next video, when we unbox this one, I will let you know what I'm expecting to make off of this one. How about that? Thumbs up? Sound fun? Go. Alright, so. Alright, don't scare the people.
No, I look very happy though.
Don't scare the people.
I look happy.
Alright. You want to go down into your dungeon and get ready to shut off the video? Or no, stay here for that. Stay here. We forgot. We gotta tell people stuff.
Subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. Comment. Tell me what you think of this box. Tell me if you would have bought this box. If you're gonna go on and buy the box yourself, because they've got more. They weren't sold out.
Only if you want to, though.
No, do it if you don't want to. Just kidding. All right, everybody. It is now dark outside. Just about dark. I'm gonna go get this one to bed, and we will see you in a couple of days with this one here and see what we got in this one. Hopefully, there's some shoes. Hoping for shoes. All right, everybody. See you later. Talk to you later. Bye.
Bye.